Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Jian Chauhan Educational Lab. Today our topic is responsibility and duties of parents to their children's education. इल्मुहुम व अदबुहुम, अपनी औलाद को तालीम दो और इनको अदब सिखाओ। हज़रत अब्दुल्ला बिन उमर रज़ी अल्लाह ताला अन्हु का इरशाद है, अपनी औलाद को अदब सिखलाओ, क़यामत वाले दिन तुमसे तुम्हारी औलाद के बारे में पूछा जाएगा कि तुमने इसे क्या अदब सिखलाया और इसे किस इल्म की तालीम दी। There is no gift a parent can give his child that is better than good manners. Be the person you want your child to be. Most important, parents are responsible to ensure their moral and religious education, the teaching of good behavior and manners at the beginning of their life. Finally, parents should try to do their best for the betterment of their children, and it is expected in Islam. Muslim parents have a responsibility to care of their children physically and emotionally. Their goal is for their children to grow into self-disciplined, independent adults. Parents are expected to teach their children right from wrong. Children are expected to respect their parents. Parents can participate at school by helping with functions and activities or communication with teachers. They can also be involved at home in many ways, including guiding their children to manage homework and other communicate and engaging in discussion about values and attitudes regarding education. Role of parents. Parents are the child's first role model. Children behave, react and imitate same as their parents. Parents play important role in encouraging and motivating their kids to learn. Good parental support helps child to be positive, healthy and good lifelong learner. Parents are their first teachers and they have a key role in shaping up their character. A balance of education at home and school modes a students' actual learning. Parental encouragement had played a crucial role in successful students. Their role is not limited to home, but involvement in school activities too. Parents should give more time and attention to their children. It makes the children feel responsible about their studies and other duties. It makes them think they are valuable beings and they have to do many good things. It builds the confidence level of the children and increases their interest in their studies. Our attitude about education can inspire theirs and shows them how to take charge of their own educational journey. Be a role model for learning. Pay attention to what your child loves. Tune into how your child learns. Practice what your child learns at school. Set aside time to read together. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.